Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So as you can see, last session was not really very strong, so range of the trading is not really very significant, but on the daily chart we have two important moments. First of all, so what is most obvious here is we've got the Polish grabber yesterday, and actually this grabber contradicts to this one. And suggests the taking out of this top. This is the pattern that we have on a daily chart. The market right now is calling around the monthly pivot point. This first moment. Second moment, take a look. That market mostly stands rather tight to upper border of the triangle. So even with the failure attempt to break through this line, market doesn't show downward return back to the lower border. So it stands in the higher part of the triangle. And this could be treated as some bullish sign. On the intraday chart, guys, right now is very big amount of the possible patterns that could be formed. So for example, if you take a look at the follow time frame chart, that's our consolidation of some kind of a flag consolidation. So and you could recognize here two, maybe three patterns that could be formed here. First of all, it's a kind of our hand shoulders pattern, right? So it could lead to some A, B, C, D up. We could get the large butterfly. This could become, for example, left wing, right? Market with this retracement down could form the right wing of the butterfly. In this case, we will get extended targets. The first 127 will be around 1850. Also, we could get minor butterfly. For example, if this will be left wing of the butterfly, this upper direction could lead us to 118 probably area. 1785, 118 or 9, and probably it will coincide with a possible hand shoulders A, B, C, D pattern, so approximately 18, 20, 25 area. So you can see a lot of patterns could be formed. Currently, guys, the major concern not how market will continue to move higher, but from what point this will happen. So currently, as you can see, market stands very well. So we take a look at the hourly chart. So our scenario was said that this is first area where market could bounce up because it's rather strong support, and what was more important, that is the former neckline of our hand shoulders pattern. So solid support, confluence area, OP target. As you can see, market as soon as market has hit this ABC top OP, fast upward bounce has happened. Now market is forming kind of the triangle consolidation. Upward breakout of this triangle very probable will lead to upward continuation right to the 118 to the XOP target, and we will get this larger A, B, C bottom D pattern. While downside continuation and breakout of this level could give us kind of the A, B, C, D down, and it will lead us right to the XOP target. So you can see that this larger A, B, C top OP target coincides with our minor A, B, C top XOP. So whatever pattern you will use, the target will be the same. So approximately coincides with the bottom of the left arm of the possible hand shoulders and stands around 1625, 1620. That will be a destination point if market will break this triangle. How you could work with this setup? So guys, since we have the bullish grabber on a daily, you have at least technical reasons to make an attempt on taking the position. Yesterday we said trying to take position as close to some important levels and targets as possible, because chances on the respect of these targets and respect of the strong level with some response on the upward action, upward bounce, very significant. So it's high. It's the positive expectation, possible positive probability for you that market will show the upward bounce, because this bounce will be not just because market is changing direction, but just technical response on a strong support, where a lot of orders stand, because other traders also watch for these levels and put the orders for buying, and market reacts with the execution of these orders. That's why when you join them, you get the additional protection. So this technical bounce lets you to move stops to the break even. Something that we did yesterday. So if you would like to take the position based on the daily grabber, it means that you need to take position against these lows, because this is lows of the grabber. And if market will break it, it will mean that market will go right to the 1620, 1625 area. It means that you need to take the position as closer to these lows as possible. So maybe some kind of the ABCD retracement here will be Garter's 222 buy could be formed, something of that sort. So keep an eye on this possible development, or while market stands inside of the this consolidation, trying to take position close to the 1680, because this is 1656. It's not really big potential loss here. But this setup will be valid only until market stands above these lows. If market will break this down, don't be long and wait for the deeper level to take the position. It means that next level that we'll be watching for will be another support cluster around 1620. It's previous lows, ABC, XOP target. Also, this will be target of this large AB equals CD, and this will be weekly pivot support 1. In this case, this ABCD pattern will be vanished, because market will drop below the C lows and it will cancel this ABCD pattern. So you could split your trade on the two parts. So use the half one for trading here. For example, if market will start dropping, you could try to buy here and add another part of the position. And in this case, your average will be somewhere in this area, so it's also acceptable. It's also another way how to act in the current situation, or wait for clear patterns. So, because your currency currently still keeps chances on possible upward action, as I said. So nothing is lost yet for the bulls, and this consolidation right below the triangle's border on the daily chart looks bullish. So it means that market really could make an attempt to just continue upward action. That's why here I show you all possible scenarios that could be applied, and you need just to choose how you will be acting in the current situation.